Hello, what's up YouTube? This is Kali, and today I will be giving you three Tagalog words, and I hope you will remember all those. The first word is the word um, I'm sorry. Okay, so how can we say I'm sorry in Tagalog? So it's pasensya, pasensya ka na. Okay, so I decided to like buy a whiteboard and a marker because after the video I just want to upload it immediately. So I don't want to edit it, put in some annotations. For me it's taking a bit long, so I'd rather write it here. Okay, so pasensya ka na, that means I'm sorry. Okay, that's our first word. Can you try saying it? Good. Pasensya ka na. Alright, so that's our first word. Once again, that is I'm sorry. Pasensya ka na. I'm sorry. Pasensya ka na. Alright, that's our first word. Alright, now let's move on to our second word. Our second word for today is I will make it up to you. And in Tagalog, that is bawi ako sa'yo. I will make it up to you. Babawi ako sa'yo. I will make it up to you. Babawi ako sa'yo. Can you try saying it? Very good. Babawi ako sa'yo. That's our second word. Okay, so to review, what's our first word again? That is I'm sorry. Pasensya ka na. And then our second word is I will make it up to you. Babawi ako sa'yo. So if you will say that continuously, you'll say pasensya ka na, babawi ako sa'yo. Okay, so you know where to use that, when to use that, right? You will use that if you have done something wrong to someone or anything to that effect. Okay, so the next word that we have is um, sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you. It means hindi ko sinasadyang saktan ka. Okay. Hindi ko sinasadyang saktan ka. Hindi ko sinasadyang saktan ka. Actually, this word, sinasadyang, this is only one word. One word, so that's continuous. So, hindi ko sinasadyang saktan ka. That means, I didn't mean to hurt you. Okay, try saying it. Very good. Hindi ko sinasadyang saktan ka. So, that's all our three words for today. Three phrases. So, those are I'm sorry, I will make it up to you, and I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry means pasensya ka na. I will make it up to you means babawi ako sa'yo. And the third one means hindi ko sinasadyang saktan ka. I didn't mean to hurt you. Okay, so that's all for today. Until next time, I'll see you again. This is Kali. Bye for now.